but I don't look good for you. I look good for myself. I'm not like other girls. I am a bum. That's it. That doesn't make sense at all. Among Us. You've heard of it. You have seen it. You have played it. Now, can you be one of them? But if you live under a rock, which I hope, because every YouTuber does it. So you're probably wondering, how do I make the Crewmate helmet? And so it's easy. Just get a corporate. I'm going to be the orange crewmate. I don't know why I'm pointing there. If my editing self would put the orange crewmate. You already know how it looks. But it's not because it's my favorite color. It's just because it is my favorite color in it, which is lavender. It's like mixed with pink there. Before we begin, our red subscribe button is looking a little sus. How about we try it and figure out the mystery? Okay, now let's get started, yo. You're probably wondering, how do you make the Crewmate helmet? It's easy. You just need cardboard, like this one. It's like perfect size. You need two. And scissors. And some paint, don't forget paint. Dries, I have to say it's looking good, you know? Next, we're gonna do the outfits, the color outfits. So, since I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be doing the orange crewmate, this sweater fits perfectly with it. This is my orange crewmate outfit. I mean, like, you're not gonna be seeing the bottom with the TikTok or whatever, but it's still good. I use this for my Darling cosplay, so why not use it for my Crewmate cosplay too? So after you get an outfit like I did here, you gotta do makeup next. And makeup, it's kind of hard for me because I'm really bad at it. So you're probably wondering, how do I make the orange Crewmate makeup look good? It's like, don't worry about it, my sweethearts. Don't worry about it. So first of all, you just need orange blush, which I do not have, which sucks. And I'm broke, and so I can't do anything but work with what I have. I put it up, my hair up, because I need space for the face. What just rhymed all the time? Yo, sorry, I'm so distractible. You can tell that I have ADHD, which is this. It goes to my skin color. Yeah, and I just dab it on. You can tell that's a little bit different to make it. And I'm gonna have to do my eyebrows. It's looking bad. And I don't know why I chose to do it at 5 in the afternoon. And it sucks. And these are like 5 weeks old, probably 2 years old. Oh goodness, never used makeup it's been there for five to 2 years because it's bad. But you see me with the broke, with no money, I quite need to toy. So I'm using, it doesn't say the name, but I'm using the color palette. I want this to be like less than 20 minutes, so gotta hurry up. I'm using elf shadow. It's looking a little backwards. Okay. Since I'm doing orange, let's do orange makeup. Can you even see this? Yeah, you can. Okay, so we're gonna be using it as a, oh my goodness, I do have orange eyeshadow I can use as, my eyes look so big. Oh crap, I broke it. Yeah, it's about time that I need new with orange. I am using Sephora. I'm not. Since I got this part of the eye, which I feel like I'm playing my eye, I'm gonna do the other side. It looks really good. I mess it up. I always mess it up. Ooh, booger. I'm looking like a child right now. Oh, mistake. You cannot fix yourself though. I wipe it out. I know that beauty cure, or people who knows more than me say nope, that's how you do it. That's not my cheeks. And then now what do we do? I forgot to say, you guys, I am using Steph Laurent. Can you see it? Steph Laurent. I'm such a YouTuber. Let me fix this a little bit. Look at this. Look at me. Oh my teeth is looking white. I use this thing. Mile High Club Wonder Beauty. So after you add all your freckles you want, which I did, you just have to lighten it. That's what I think, because I don't think you want it to be so puffed off. Okay, this is kind of thick. Okay, so now you gotta dip it. I know that's not famous, but oh well, I am late with the trend, so I'll continue the trend. Lighten it. Okay, next, I'm gonna go put on my eyes. Since I got my eyes on, like I like to say. I put on lip gloss. And I put on a tiny bit. It doesn't say. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's nasty. Okay. Clean? Yes. So this is how I'm gonna be looking. This used to be my Deco cosplay one, but then I'm gonna be switching. Since my hair is kicking, I'm gonna try to loosen this up a little bit. Okay. There you go. How do I look? Okay, so after you do all that together, you just keep stretching it because I don't like it when it's like tight like this. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now you can see a little bit more. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Since we let this dry, this stuff, I might need to cut it. Cut it. Cut it. So this will be like right here. You're wondering, how do I do that? Tape, glue, commando strips. I'm gonna be doing some TikToks. Please check it out so that you don't miss anything and stuff. My TikTok is the same thing as this YouTube channel and stuff. And I'm doing a lot more cosplay content over there because I don't like it when it's like orange on top of orange on top of orange. I need to make it different, you know? Get back to the montage. Ting.
I'm Tom.
I'm Jerry.
This is all in my eye. I do it this way. Looks cute. Okay, so what I use is, see, it's stuck on. I use glue. Wait, hold on, let me do it. You can get it from your school supply store near you. Because, boom. And that's it. That's the imposter. The imposter. No, I'm not the imposter. I'm never the imposter. I hope you like this video and subscribe for more content like this. I'm gonna be doing more stuff like this, cosplay. I'm gonna be doing video games, try to do, because I'm having trouble with it all. And so, make sure to turn on notifications. Click to never miss any of my other videos that are up to come. And peace. Hope you like this video. I hope you like this video and subscribe for more. And Snickers. I hope